Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe my channel. Let your heart be a garden of peace. Grace grows where love is abundant. Flowers show us how to live beautifully. A blooming flower is hope made visible. I still fall for you every day. Your love is my greatest adventure. I choose you, always. You are the best part of me. You're my happy place. Every love story is beautiful, but ours is my favorite. Love is when the other person's happiness is more important than your own. With you, I am home. You are my heart, my life, my only thought. Love is the only force capable of transforming an enemy into a friend. Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies. I love you more than yesterday, but less than tomorrow. Love isn't something you find. Love is something that finds you. You complete me. Love is an endless act of forgiveness. To love and be loved is everything. Love is the flower you've got to let grow. Plant hope and watch miracles sprout. Each bloom is a reminder to stay grateful. Love blooms in unexpected places. Where faith is sown, beauty grows. Flowers teach us how to flourish. Love and light are always in season. A garden of faith knows no withering. The beauty of flowers reflects God's love. You complete me in every way. I see my future in your eyes. Love is the only language I need with you. Forever isn't long enough with you.